Hello there, wonderful viewers. Today, I will show you how to enable Web Inspector on iPhone. The Web Inspector is a powerful tool that allows you to inspect all the resources and activity on web pages. It provides valuable information about how a web page is constructed and what activities are happening behind the scenes. First of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down until you see an option called Safari. Tap on it. After that, scroll down to the very bottom. Now tap Advanced and then scroll down again. Here you'll see the Web Inspector feature to enable the Web Inspector on your iPhone. Simply toggle on the switch over here. It says, to use the Web Inspector, connect to Safari on your computer, using a cable and access your iPhone from the Develop menu. You can enable the Develop menu in the Advanced section of Safari settings on your computer. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.